In the video from yesterday, we discussed some long-term price forecasts for the Shiba Inu currency. In this video, we'll discuss some short-term price forecasts for the Shiba Inu coin, specifically by the end of October. Now, let's have a look at a few machine learning algorithms. They seem intelligent? No. Machine learning sounds extremely smart, but all it does is offer the figure based on the current technical analysis trend extended out to the period you're looking for. Naturally, as humans, we are aware that tomorrow is not promised. Although we are aware that we can attempt to foresee, anything could happen tomorrow and alter the course of the current trend. Please bear that in mind as we discuss these price projections for the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency based on machine learning algorithms. And if you think it sounds interesting, let's get started. Let's get going. What's going on, everyone? Clay here. To make 2023 the best year ever, I'm here. You can click the subscribe button. Be sure to follow the channel, join us, and advance to the professional level. We come here every day, and we are currently expanding our portfolios as a group. You people have never invested before and have no idea how to purchase stocks or cryptocurrency. In the description below, there is a link to a Weevil. Setting up your account with any deposit is quite easy. You guys get at least 6 free stocks and possibly up to 12 free stocks, plus you get paid 5% interest on your cash balances. If you guys want exchanges that just deal in cryptocurrencies where you can buy, you don't even need to purchase a single share to gain 5%. Trading short allows you to leverage all of your gains. There is now Queen of Binance. The more you trade, the more you're going to earn because they give rewards to the more active traders. But if you hold on those exchanges, please be advised that it will be regarded as a loan to those exchanges. Therefore, you might choose a cold storage or DeFi wallet if you wish to reduce that risk and turn it into an asset. As I mentioned, we discussed some extremely positive price projections yesterday. A new coin was reaching levels of 3 zeros and 1, as well as some new record highs. That is now extremely significant. They anticipated Shiba Inu coin's value to reach hundreds of billions of dollars only by 2050. Now, I genuinely think that can happen for Shiba Inu coin much sooner as long as Bitcoin legislation occurs in a way that encourages adoption and institutional money starts to come in. Guys, if you consider the vast majority of institutions and the tens of trillions of dollars in wealth they manage, Shiba Inu coin may reach valuations of more than $100 billion if some of that money starts to flow into the cryptocurrency market. This is without even mentioning the possibility of retail FOMO. As a result, I don't believe it will take till 2050, although of course, that algorithm's look and price forecast are much more conservative than mine. This one claims that the price of Shiba Inu coins is determined on October 31 by a machine learning algorithm. So, if you guys are interested in what will occur in October, I'll say there are a few things that might change this for the better and a few things that could significantly stimulate the market's upward movement. But even if it works in our favor, it may also work against us. According to what is stated, following a 4-month high in August, Shiba Inu coin took a severe drop during the Shibari release, pushing its losses in 2023 to almost 10% as it was approaching the 1100 point per coin mark. This decline coincides with a broader decline in the cryptocurrency market, making 2018 a difficult year for cryptocurrencies with few sustained uptrends. Today, Bitcoin is actually performing rather well, but altcoins aren't acting in the same way. Finbold has turned to predictive analytics to shed light on the near-term prospects for the second largest meme, with crypto asset Shiba Inu Coin Dogecoin being the first. According to data retrieved on October 3rd, 726 points per coin, even though the general sentiment for Shiba Inu coin is leaning bearish and there is growing uncertainty in the crypto sphere. The report claims that the machine learning system is driven by price projections, so it is practically zero gain or zero loss from where we are at the moment. That depends on a careful examination of popular technical analysis. True average range, the relative strength index, and the convergence and divergence of the Bollinger Bands, moving average. So, guys, this is what you see in a circumstance like this. And that's all we really need to take away from this article. They're calling for no change by the end of the month. whereas I think we might see a shift by then. What then do they employ? A shorter time frame is being employed for this technical analysis. What have we learned about the Shiba Inu coin during the past few weeks? It has simply been agonizingly still. No other way to put it exists. The Shiba Inu coin has virtually been wicking up to 750 points per coin and down to about 700 points per coin if you look at a daily chart going back a few weeks. However, the bodies are essentially positioned between 720 and 730 points each coin. Now all the other metrics trade in similarly tight channels as a result of this exceedingly tight channel. The moving averages won't go up and down very much because there isn't any volatility. The Bollinger Bands will be made tighter. There is a lot happening. They are currently affecting short-term price forecasts, which will make it very challenging for them to be accurate. What, in my opinion, happened to number 1? We are aware that the SEC's appeal in the XRP Ripple case was recently rejected. Given that its appeal was rejected, I actually anticipated Ripple to be much higher or XRP to be considerably higher than it is currently, and I think the market will finally catch up in the near future. I don't believe they've cut on to yet another thing because they understand what that means for cryptocurrencies as a win or the biggest win in the cryptocurrency field. The SEC was given 45 days by the judge to review the grayscale application and a few other requests for Bitcoin spot ETFs, as is well known. That happened a few weeks ago, and if it happens or the SEC decides on it by the end of October, we may definitely see a catalyst for the upside or the downside. I now make an effort to maintain an upbeat attitude, particularly while considering Shiba Inu coin and all other investments in general. However, if the SEC allows a grayscale Bitcoin spot ETF, that will signal the start of an institutional inflow if they reject one. Although the SEC has lost before, it could be another defeat for the cryptocurrency industry. I don't think it's going to be a significant setback. I think it'll be a modest setback based on case after case. So please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Given how sluggish things are right now, are you performing any technical analysis? By the end of the month, do you think Shiba Inu coin will be worth 726 points each? Or do you think the Shiba Inu coin will be significantly more expensive? If that button is correct, there is still red. Please share your ideas in the comments section below. Don't forget to click it and join the channel. Become one of us and a bro. Every day that we are here, we work together to expand our portfolios. Everywhere has 6 to 12 free stocks of Claybro 8-3. Until the next time, we shall chill the coin and finance free this court. I truly hope that every single one of you has a fantastic day. Let's get going.